welcome back to another room tour. This time we are in my youngest daughter's room, which was formerly her nursery, but we have just converted it into a big girl space with a big girl bed. So really we didn't do much in here to move it from a nursery to a big girl room other than swap some furniture around and get rid of the crib. So come along and I will take you on a little tour. So first up is her dresser. This stayed here. This was also in her nursery. It's by Da Vinci and I just love the shape of it. I like very clean lines in my kids' rooms, in all of my furniture actually. So I really like the lines of this one. It's white. All I did was swap out the knobs. So these are Michael Aram dragonfly knobs in brass. I really loved how they played with the wallpaper. And they're all handcrafted, handmade. They're so beautiful. So really all I did to this was swap out the knobs. This gourd lamp I actually spray painted myself in this like blush paint color. I think when it came it was just like a solid white, which was fine. I loved the shape, but I really wanted to play with these blush paint colors that we were doing in the wallpaper and in the accents. So I spray painted this myself, and then I also used rub and buff on the finial to kind of play with the brass accents that we had going on in here. Her art I'm obsessed with. It is a little white romper from White Elephant Designs, and they had her name embroidered in pink on the collar, and it is so precious. She wore it once, I took photos in it, but I really wanted to use it as artwork in her nursery. So I had it framed by Framebridge and it's so beautiful. I know I'm going to move this around to different rooms when maybe it doesn't work so much in here as she gets a little bit older, but I love it so much and I know we're going to have that forever. I have this hamper in this like really cute blush pom-pom from Pear, and they make them in several sizes for really great storage. So I have the hamper size in here for her, and then I also have the little pint size on her play table that we keep books in and little small toys that she can keep in her room. They are the cutest, perfect for storage. I have them in several places in our playroom, in my other daughter's room, and I just think they're the cutest. This artwork is so cute. I actually got it from Etsy. It was a download and I had it printed at Staples, and it was so inexpensive, like literally like $2 a print. And then I just got these frames from Target and I think they're really pretty with the mat, and they just like, we're playing with a woodland theme here. So I just thought that these bunnies look so cute and like really, like come on. Her Lalo play table we actually had in my other daughter's room, but when she got a desk, we decided to bring the Lalo play table in here. My 3-year-old sits at it the most. She was sitting at it before, so that's why we decided to kind of switch things around. It's so cute. It's easy to clean and wipe down. She sits here and reads books and plays toys. It's a super cute little element in this room. Moving over here, we just added these little book ledges a couple of weeks ago, and they're from IKEA. I have them in our playroom, in my other daughter's room. I love them so much, and I think it's so cute to display the books that she loves or kind of change them out with the seasons. Super cute addition to this little corner. This scalloped wooden box. It's by West Elm Kids. It's Sarah Sherman Samuel's collection, and it's so cute for just like having little stuffies in there or toys or books. It's in a really pretty like cream ivory color that matches the paint, and I kind of had to have it because I'm really into scallops right now. The shade in here is by Everhem. It's this really long Roman shade. It's actually custom. They make it really easy to order online. In my other daughter's room tour, you'll see we did 3 separate Roman shades, but I really love how this looks just one piece. It's really easy to take up and down, and I just think it looks really pretty in this ivory linen. And here it is. Here is the big girl bed. So all we did was swap out her old crib, and we got this white bed from Pottery Barn Kids, which I love. I just love a little detail on it. It's very simple and clean lines. It kind of matched the dresser a little bit, which is why I ordered it. Her bedding is by Restoration Hardware Baby and Child in this blush linen color. And then I have, this was her accent pillow from before, which we just reused. It's from Crate & Barrel. This piece of art is from one of my very favorite shops called Sister Golden. I have a print of Frida Kahlo in my other daughter's room, which you can find on my other video. They're the most beautiful. They almost look 3D. They're made from like leaves and things that the artist finds in nature. And this is Iris Apfel. I had to have this for this room, and I kind of think it works really well with the wallpaper. Oddly enough, because it's like natural materials, it just plays really well with the birds and the woodland theme that we have going on. So let's talk about the wallpaper. It is my very favorite thing in this whole room. It really makes the space, if you're asking me. I'm like obsessed with wallpaper right now, and I had to have this when I saw it. It's the Hummingbird wallpaper in the blue shade by Cole & Son. It comes in a bunch of different shades too. There's a lighter blue, and I think there's like a pinkish, a creamy color, but it is so beautiful. It's almost hand painted. If you touch it, it has like this texture to it on the birds. I was worried it was gonna be a little bit busy, but that's why we only did it halfway up, and then we did this like picture molding on the bottom, which my husband installed. It works really nicely. I don't think it seems too busy in here at all. We live across from a pond and a park, and I love how it looks when you have the window open and you have all of this greenery outside, and then we have this greenery on the wall with the birds. It's like the perfect combination. So highly, highly recommend, if you are on the fence about doing wallpaper in your nursery or your kids' room, go for it. It literally makes the room stand out so much. I can't imagine just having paint in here now that we have it installed, especially with where we live and what the outside looks like. It's just like the most beautiful wallpaper. The only thing I haven't done in here yet is a rug. So I'm kind of considering this blush polka dot rug. I want to do like a pink print or pattern in here just because we have so much blue going on. So that's the only thing I haven't added yet, but that's the tour, you guys. Thanks for coming. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. I